All right, guys, we're still on 1.2, solving multi-step equations, example 3. Okay, take a look at the triangle. I have n degrees here in this little angle corner here, right here, and n degrees up here and 42 here. It says the sum of the angles is 180. We need to solve for n, okay? Solve for n. That means find out what n is. All right, well, let's remember that sum means to add. What do they add to when you add them all together? Well, if the sum of these angles is 180, we know that n plus 42 means equals 180. Now we can solve for n by simplifying. So first we need to combine like terms. N and n can go together. They are like terms. If you imagine that there's a hiding 1 here, this means 1n, and another one here, this means 1n. If you do 1 plus 1, what do you get? Good, 2n. Bring down my plus 42 equals 180. Now I'm at this nice two-step problem. I'm going to draw my little train tracks, and I'm still going to be simplifying until I can isolate n. I need to get n by itself. Remember, I'm going to start kind of with what's farthest away, a plus or a minus first. This says plus 42, so I know I'm going to minus 42. Whatever I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other side of the equal sign. All right, 180 minus 42 is 138. And remember, on this side, we have our 42 minus 42 cancels out. And I'm going to bring down my 2n. And I'm still trying to isolate for that n. This says 2 times n. So I know that the opposite of times is divide. So I know I need to divide each side by 2. I get n equals 138 divided by 2. I'm going to put that in my calculator as 138 divided by 2 equals 69. N equals 69. So when we look at this triangle, we know that this n is 69 degrees, this n is 69 degrees, and this is 42. How could I check my answer? I could put this number for n in the original equation and make sure it adds up to 180 degrees. I'm going to do that now. I have 69 plus 69 plus 42 equals 180. Check. Always check your answer.